Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Model Evaluation Metrics. Understanding accuracy, precision, and recall. Imagine you build a robot to sort socks. How do you know it's doing a good job? We need ways to measure how well our AI models perform. Just like we'd test the robot, that's what model evaluation metrics are all about. Accuracy is the simplest metric. It's like asking, what percentage of socks did the robot sort correctly? High accuracy means the model is generally good, but it doesn't tell the whole story. Let's say the robot claims every dark sock is a black sock. It's precise about calling things black socks, but inaccurate if it misclassifies dark blue or navy socks. Precision is how many of the socks labeled black are actually black. Now imagine the robot is hesitant to call any sock black for fear of misclassifying. It might miss actual black socks. Recall measures how many of the actual black socks it correctly identified. Often, improving precision reduces recall, and vice versa. Think of adjusting the robot's strictness. A very strict robot, high precision, might miss some socks, low recall, while a less strict robot, high recall, might make more mistakes, low precision. Finding the right balance is key. Let's say we're building a spam filter. High precision means few good emails are marked as spam. False positives. High recall means few spam emails slip through. False negatives. We might prioritize precision, avoiding annoyed users, or recall, preventing scams, depending on our needs. The best metric depends on the problem. Sometimes accuracy is enough, other times, we need to focus on precision or recall, or a combination, depending on the cost of false positives and false negatives. Understanding these trade-offs is crucial for building effective AI. The F1 score combines precision and recall. The confusion matrix gives a detailed breakdown of true positives, true negatives, false positives, and false negatives, providing a rich picture of model performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.